Well, welcome back to the yard, Dad. It's another beautiful day here in northern Utah. I think it's like 60 degrees Fahrenheit. So I decided that today, I think it's time to go ahead and start getting out the mower, scalp, get the front, get the back, get the sides, everything. Might do a little trimming too. But here, check this out. Man, this is exciting. All right, I think it looks like it's time. It looks about time. Plus, I need to get out here and do this. Yeah, look at that sky. Go check this out. Check out the mountains right there. Looking nice. Well, I'll show you everything. We're gonna mow. Let's see, first things first, we're gonna mow the sidewalk strips. And when I get done mowing, I'll be able to see all my low spots and we'll see where we need to add soil. I'm gonna mow over here. And of course, down the side over here, I'll show you real quick. Wow, is it nice out today. All right, so right behind me here, as you can see, we've got this area. We'll probably be adding a little soil over here this season. And then back here, you can see all this. See, look at that. Yeah, oh yeah. All right, we're gonna take care of all this back here. Still have some cleaning up to do in some areas. Patchy spots. Probably be putting some soil here. This is a pretty dry, always compacted clay soil area of my yard right here that I've been working on. And just adding soil amendments and adding soil, but we're gonna keep doing that. And then down here, of course, on this side, I've pretty much fixed all this. I mean, there's a few little spots, but this is starting to come in as well. So it's looking pretty awesome. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get the trimmer out, trim everything that I see that I wanna trim first. And then I'll come back out with the mower. I'll go one setting below the lowest, and then we'll come back on the lowest. And I think that mower, I can't remember what it is, maybe 1.5 inches, maybe 1 inch. I don't know. I'll look it up. I'll let you know what I cut at, but I think it's 1 inch, 1.5 inches, something like that. And I'm not getting too crazy either. Not getting too low yet. We might scalp a week from now again. I'll see where we're at. Let's go. Let's trim. Finally get the mower out. Just kidding about the temperature. It's actually 37 degrees Fahrenheit today. Tomorrow it will be much warmer, and then the following day it will be in the 70s. I was looking at South Carolina, Myrtle Beach area. Whoops. But let's go. everything done. We did some string trimming. I think that turned out great. And then here, check out the front. You remember I trimmed around here. Got the front. The front looks really nice. I did the thing where I mowed slightly higher and then came down with it all the way as low as it goes. And yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. Over here, I didn't go as low. I'll do that next week, but I still cut it on the sidewalk strips. Just the sidewalk strips. See over here, looking good. Looking good over here as well. And kind of cleaned up, blew out all the edging, made sure there wasn't extra grass, you know. And then over here, I cut both sides of the house. I hit the backyard a couple different directions. And yeah, it's coming along. It's looking good. It's looking green. So that's always good, right? It's looking green. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Here, check out over here. All right. Getting down here. I went once this way, back in the middle, and then back again this way, and then back again in the middle. And, this is coming along. All last season, this was nothing but dirt right here, and it's pretty filled in. I mean, there's a couple little patches, but it's more so just dry clay and some stones, you know what I mean? So I'll fix all that. It'll get fixed. Soil temp's coming up, so we'll check the soil temperature in a couple days here, and then we'll go from there. Am I gonna blow off the back too? But yeah, I think it looks really good. There's one last look back here. Kind of see what we're looking like. And then over here. Maybe I'll have to, I used to have a drone. I sold it, never used it. This was a while back. So I'm sure it's a dated one now, but it was a pretty good one. I might get a new one so you can get a better perspective of, you know, my property and neighborhood. Maybe we'll take some trips to some tree farms and stuff this season as well. I'll show you some good shrubs and some trees and stuff that you can use. And here's the front one last time from up here. And yeah, mountain's looking quite nice. There we go. Awesome. Shorter video today. I'll see you this week. I'll probably post another video in about 2 to 3 days. All right, thanks for watching. Let me know if you've got any comments as well, and any suggestions or anything like that. And I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the Yard Den. Peace.